Welcome to the AI app era. In this video, we will explore how to build and host a custom CRM using Google Antigravity, which allows you to turn plain English into a production-ready application. Traditional software development is slow. It often takes weeks of coding, complex configuration, and infrastructure setup before a single user can even log into your application. The solution is Google Antigravity. Simply describe your application and let AI build it for you. The process is simple. Install and sign in, create a project, describe your app, review the architecture, and then deploy your CRM live. Step 1. Launch your workspace. Just install Antigravity and sign in with Google to initialize your AI development environment in seconds. Step 2. Start fresh. Create a clean, dedicated project. A focused workspace provides the AI with a clearer context, leading to better results for your application. Step 3. Describe your CRM. Write detailed instructions for the AI. The more specific your prompt, the more complete and accurate the final output will be. Step 4. Plan your build. Let the AI design the full architecture first. You can review and validate the plan before triggering the generation process with confidence. Step 5. Generate your application. Once you've approved the architecture, let Google Antigravity build your CRM automatically. It generates the front-end, back-end, authentication, database models, routing, and user interface, all from your prompt, turning your idea into a working application within minutes. Step 6. Power it with Firebase. Your CRM connects automatically to authentication, real-time databases, and cloud hosting, all configured from your original prompt. Step 7. Go live. Deploy your CRM in minutes. From your first prompt to a hosted public URL, there is no DevOps required. Be sure to verify every feature, test your login and authentication, check dashboard data, confirm search performance, and validate your database read and write operations. Continue to improve your application by adding AI-powered features without the need for a full rebuild. Antigravity allows you to extend your architecture module by module. The result is a fully functional SaaS application, delivered faster than any traditional development sprint. Build your next application with Google Antigravity. Describe it, build it, and deploy it. Check the links provided for our step-by-step guide and community support.